Please scan your items. When you're finished, select the Pay Now button. Would you like an e-receipt? Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.